Next, we have a very interesting picture here. This Redditor didn't ask how this happened, but I want to know how this happened. Brett, what's your take on this?
First thought is I really hope someone didn't slash their tires. I would say there's a really good chance the driver hit a curb at a higher speed and that caused the issue. The other possible cause here is that this tire was over or underinflated, and as they were driving, they might have hit something and that caused punctures like this. Not natural, not good. You need to get that fixed and replaced really ASAP.
Our next Redditor asks for help in deciding between Continental Pure Contact LS and Continental Extreme Contact DWS06 Plus tires. What are your thoughts, Julie?
Well, number one, Continental is a solid brand. They've won a couple golden wrenches from us from Best Tires over the last couple of years. So I do want to point out you need dedicated winter tires if you're going to drive 250 miles through solid ice and snow. So I would want to know where they live, how much ice and snow they're talking about. Continental has a couple excellent offerings that have the 3-peak mountain symbol, which is rated for heavy snow. So the Viking Contact 7, the Winter Contact from Continental are both excellent. If you are talking about just general sort of ice and snow on the East Coast, like a little bit, not too terrible, then you'd probably be okay with like a true all-season tire. In that case, I would say the 06 Plus would be a good choice.